So this is a trend. I don't know if you guys have heard about it, but everyone should be taking a shot of electrolytes. So it looks gross, but it actually just tastes like water. And here's the thing. I took a shot of electrolytes. I'm taking actually one shot of that and one shot of another. And the reason I'm taking this is because electrolytes in every cell in your body needs minerals to function. A lot of trace minerals that you've never even heard of. So when you get electrolytes and your minerals up, everything just works better. We've actually destroyed our soil with industrial farming. We've changed CO2 levels in the atmosphere, which makes plants grow more quickly with less minerals. And we use all sorts of chemicals that block your ability to absorb minerals. So I use this Beam Minerals, and I'm just going to take a quick shot. I take a little extra. You're not supposed to take just as much. Like you can literally take it in one shot. But it tastes like water. It's very, very neutral. It increases my mineral levels. There are more than 70 natural minerals, electrolytes, some aminos, and some B vitamins, all from natural resources. So use the code Chantel Ray. They're going to give you a huge discount. Go to beamminerals.com. And Beam Minerals has really upped my mineral game. I think you're going to want to do it too.